Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a digital signature in your Fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my Fillable PDF form and I'll insert here a digital signature. Now select this form option and this signature, digital signature, click here and drag your mouse cursor to your digital signature box. Now press right button and select Properties dialog box. Properties dialog box is general option. You can see signature name here. You can make this form field visible, invisible, and so on. And this is rotation option. You can also rotate this signature. And it's a read only option and it's required. And this appearance option. And you can change signature color and signature font style. You can change here. And also you can add border and fill color. Now select close and select hand option, and this is blank signature box. Now click on this sign option and signature profile dialog box now open and select create, and here you can add new signature. Select new digital ID or you can select existing one and select new digital and select second one PKCS and type your signature name and type your email and organization unit and organization name. Now select next. Select your file name and select create password and select finish. Next, and here you can change I have reviewed this document or I am approving this document. I will select first one. Now select next and signature preview. Set profile with name. Now select finish and apply and see this. Our digital signature now added here, and this is and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.